Welcome back everyone, and let's quickly begin with episode 12. In this video we will see how to use Layers toolbar in details. If you want to make a new layer, use layer properties. We will also learn about these 4 important tools for using layers. Let's get started. This is to set any new layer, and shortcut is Alt+N. This is also used to create new layer. Alt-D for deleting any layer. And Alt+C to set any layer for present use. Now if we click on new layer or press Alt+N, a new layer is formed. You can change its name or even right-click on mouse and rename the layer. Both can be done, it's up to you. For suppose I took number 1 as Ziva. You can also enlarge the box to see the other options properly. Or you can also smaller the size. And also look at the other options like this. This is again to set new layer. Then delete or Alt+D is to delete the current layer. See the current layer which is Ziva got deleted as I clicked on it. Now I can click on new layer and again get a new layer. Now if I want to set the layer there, then be on that layer here first and then click on the last option which is set current and the layer there get converted to the present layer. We can also change the color of any layer. Suppose I took pink so the present layer named Ziva changes to pink now. Now let's draw a line and show you how it's all done. For drawing straight line, we click on to restrict cursor orthography. Now let's draw a rectangle. Shortcut is Rec. Draw the rectangle. Suppose I took 5 feet then click on to Tab which is on your keyboard left side. Now take the other measurement, suppose I took 6 feet and my rectangle of 5 feet by 6 feet is ready. But the color of the rectangle did not change to color of the beam layer. You may face the same problem but the solution is simple. Click on by layer and you will get the layer color. Actually by block is set in default so make sure it's set to by layer to get the layer color in your object. Now that I want to change the layer, I take the whole object and change it to the layer I want. Now I can off the layer through turn on and off tool there and the layer gets invisible and I again switch on the tool. Now that I again want to change the color of the layer I go to color palette and choose suppose green then the color changes to green layer color. Now let's take another layer and show you in more details. For suppose I take the layer name as rail. First of all let's elongate the box for better understanding. And also stretch the tool name column for a clear view. Now let's look at the line type column which is set to continuous by default. But if I want my line in crooked form, type H for hidden type line, now click OK, and it gets set to hidden line type. And if I want to change the line weight of the layer, I take any line weight and click OK, and it gets set to that line weight. Now I again set it to default. Let's draw a box through line tool and understand it clearly. Take the whole object and set it to rail layer and it changes to layer color and the line type of the rail layer. Now you can again change the color of the layer. I hope you understood the whole concept of layer properties. Comment your doubts if any. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment.